Imagine starting from scratch. No savings, no coding skills, and not a single follower in sight. Sounds daunting, right? But what if I told you that you could still build a 0,000 per month income stream using only free AI tools? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps without any unnecessary fluff to make this seemingly impossible task a reality. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of these powerful tools together. In week 1, we're going to focus on picking the right service to sell, because when it comes to making money quickly with AI, services are where it's at. You'll want to decide between AI-powered web development, AI content writing, or AI automation setup. Each of these services is in high demand on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. A quick search on these sites will show you countless job postings from businesses eager to pay for expertise in these areas right now. So dive in, explore what's out there, and choose the service that aligns best with your skills and interests. Welcome to week 2 of our learning journey. This week, we're diving deep into one specific AI tool, and if you're focusing on web development, Cursor AI is your go-to. Dedicate 5 days to mastering this tool by watching tutorials and creating 3 key projects: a landing page, a portfolio site, and a simple web app. These projects will form the backbone of your professional portfolio, essential for showcasing your skills to potential clients. The beauty of using AI is that you can build these projects in hours instead of weeks, allowing you to efficiently demonstrate your capabilities and creativity. Welcome to week 3, where we'll focus on landing your first client. Start by setting up profiles on both Upwork and Fiverr. For your initial 3 clients, consider pricing low to earn those crucial reviews. For instance, offer to design a landing page for $0, even if it normally goes for $0. Yes, you'll be undercharging, but those 5-star reviews will be invaluable for building your reputation. Once you've secured 5 glowing reviews, it's time to adjust your rates to match the market. In addition, make it a habit to connect with 10 local businesses daily through LinkedIn or email. Provide them with a free sample of your work to showcase your skills and build relationships. By the 2nd or 3rd month, you should have a solid collection of reviews and a portfolio that really showcases your skills. This is the perfect time to bump up your prices to somewhere between 0 and 500 per project. With AI tools handling a lot of the repetitive tasks, you'll find you can comfortably complete 2-3 projects each week. That alone could bring in 0,000 a month. But don't stop there. Start building relationships with your clients and offer them monthly maintenance or content retainer packages priced at 0,000. Securing just 5 of these recurring clients can push your earnings up to an impressive 0K per month. Here's the real secret to success that often gets overlooked. The toughest hurdle isn't mastering the AI tools, it's landing that very first client. Once you've got that initial client, things start to flow more smoothly. Typically, a satisfied client will share their positive experience with 2 to 3 other business owners, which means referrals can become your secret weapon. So, make it your mission to deliver outstanding results to your first 5 clients, and you'll find that momentum builds from there. Ready to get started? We've included all the essential links you need in the description below.